Right, in this video, I'll show you the use of inclined loads in staad Pro. Alright, right with the Connect edition, I saw something like this. If I get into here, load case details, and right under the point load or the nodal load, I can see something like this, inclined load. Personally, I didn't saw this option anywhere in internet. Let me try this. First option which you can see right when you pick up this option here is first option what you can see by picking up inclined load is you can see an exclamation or a single quote right here. Alright, great. Okay, either you can define the points. Okay, let me turn on the node system here. So Shift N used to turn on the number of node number. Then right in here you can see either pick up the reference node option or there is an option absolute here. So if I pick up node number 2, okay, node number 2, that will indirectly define the coordinates by using the absolute method here. So you can say that by getting the geometry and I'll be turning on grid, you can say that the node number 2, the coordinate of node number 2 is 0 and well, that is 5. So that is the same thing that you can see right here. Either pick up the first option or second option, both are same. In the first option you will be picking up the node number, or in the second option you will be defining the coordinates of that particular point. Well, great. Now what you can do here is, alright, I'm gonna pick up the value 1 here. Okay, 1 here, and the reference node is number 2. If I try to apply that load with use of cursor to assign right from here, you can see that will be pointing towards node number 2. Okay, the scale is very small. I'll solve it. Alright, I can get into, well, the labels are there and scale. Apply it immediately and I can, well, decrease the asset here, and you can see that all of the values are pointing towards node number 2. Okay, this is inclined and this is pointing towards node number 2. This is also pointing towards node number 2. This is also pointing towards node number 2. Okay, so that is the option called as absolute or the reference option. Okay, now if you can say that is that is relative, the symbol change that's going to happen is you have the coordinates right here. That is the same coordinates of this particular point, node number 2. Hit the change, you can see what happened is, you can see that everything is pointed towards the global Y direction. Let me tell you what happened here. Okay, in this second case, in the relative option, you can see that this is our origin. This is origin 0, 0, and you are having a coordinate is right here. Okay, that is this particular point. So from origin to that particular coordinate which we define here will be positive x, and this is positive x right now. So if we apply the load 1 here in the positive x direction, every load will be pointing towards positive x direction, that you can see right from here. So the simple thing is over.